Hey guys, so I know we started our system site, but I wanted to go ahead and share with you the rubric before we got any further into the project. This way you can go back and check the work that you've already done and make sure that you're following the rubric for the rest of the project. So each page has a section in the rubric, and they're very similar. They have 3 points you'll be graded on for each page. The first section is professionalism. Does your website look organized and clean? Second section is, did you include everything that was on the example site? So the home page includes a brief introduction to the body and how it's organized. And then you see as the points go down, so does what you've included. So if you don't include anything, that's in the 1 category. And then the last thing that you'll be graded on for the home page is your information correct? So let's say you put that tissues make up cells and cells make up organs. Obviously that wouldn't be correct. So we would say some or many errors in your information. Also really important to see right here, information is either not present or is copied and pasted. So if you copy and pasted and didn't even attempt to put it in your own words or to cite where you got the information from, that is an automatic 1. Alright, so for all the body system pages, the only part that's different is this middle section. So, did you include the parts of both systems, the function of both systems, and how the systems work? If you include all 3, you get that 4. If you include 2 of the 3, you get a 3. And if you include 1 of the following, you get a 2. And then if you don't include any of those, then you get a 1. Again, if you include it, but you make some errors, then that will drop you down a level here in the next row. And that is the same across all the body system sites pages. So then we come down to disease or disorder, which you guys are going to be working on next week unless you go ahead. So you need to make sure that you're including a description of the disease or disorder, which body systems are affected by that disease or disorder, and how they are affected. So if you include all 3 of those things on your disease and disorder page, then you'll have a 4 for that section. If it looks nice and clean, you'll have a 4 here. And if all your information is correct and not copied and pasted, then you will have a total of 12 points for the disease and disorder page. And you have 6 pages total, and 6 times 12 is 72. So if you get a 72 out of 72, that would be 100 in the grade section down here. Now up at the top, you might notice that we have this extra box, and it says link to published site goes here. So when you are on your site and you're done, you've added all the information that you need, all your pages are great, you've checked them on the rubric, you're going to click publish. It's going to save all of your progress. And then you can click view. Now you're looking at it online. So you're going to come up to the address bar and you're going to copy and paste your link to your website. And you'll go back to the rubric, so paste your link in there. This is how I'm going to access your site to grade it. So you got to make sure that you publish it and that you link it. So now, what are you going to do with the rubric? Well, I'm going to send you the rubric in Google Classroom as an assignment. So when you're finished with your site, you'll turn this in, and I'll use the rubric and the link to your site to grade your website. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. You should be able to get an A if you follow the rubric and ask questions for clarification. Don't forget, these are due on March 21st. Okay, bye guys.